Hi, today we are going to be talking about singular nouns and plural nouns. So it's important to understand that any noun that names only one thing is a singular noun. For example, one book, one dish. If it only names one thing, it is a singular noun. A noun that names more than one thing is a plural noun. For example, 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, 5 books, 6 books. It's more than one, so it's plural, and it has an S on the end. Dishes, 2 dishes, 3 dishes, 4 dishes, 5 dishes. It's more than one, so it has an ES on the end. Most singular nouns can be made plural by just adding an S to the end. Nouns ending in X, Z, S, SH, and CH form the plural by adding an ES to the end. Here's an example in a sentence. For a singular noun, I have a colorful dish. A means one. I have a colorful dish. Plural, I have lots of colorful dishes. You guys seeing the mistake I'm seeing? There should be an L right here. Let's put that in there. There we go. So plural, I have lots of colorful dishes. Lots means more than one. Okay, good. All right, what I want you to do is to pause this video and go grab a piece of paper or a whiteboard and dry erase marker. Go. Okay, now that you have either a piece of paper or a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, let's start practicing turning some nouns that are singular into plural nouns, okay? So first I want you to write the word flower on your board or paper. Let me zoom that out. That's a little big. All right, so I have the word flower. That would represent one flower. But what if I want to talk about 2 or 3 or 4 or more? So flower ends in the consonant R, and I would just need to add an S to make this plural, flowers. And now it is a plural noun and it means more than one. Okay, erase, and let's try another one. What if I have the word box? Okay, let's think about the rules we just read about. We know most singular nouns can be made plural by just adding an S on the end. However, nouns that end in X, Z, S, SH, and CH, they need an ES added on the end. This word ends in an X, so we need to add ES to make it plural. But before I do that, I want you to see, sometimes if you write S on it by accident and try to read the word, it's clear. How would you read this? Box. Box. I have 3 boxes. It doesn't make sense. But if I need to make this plural the correct way, and I do an ES because it ends in an X, I have 3 boxes. Boxes. Okay, erase. Let's do another. What about the word flash? The word flash ends in SH. So going by the rules, I know I need to add an ES, not just an S. And you can always check this because if you just put an S on the end, flash, does that sound correct? Flash, it doesn't work. You need is on the end. Flashes. Flashes. Okay. All right, erase. Let's try another. What about the word tree. One tree, two trees. Now, this does not end in the consonant X, Z, S, or SH. This ends in a vowel, okay, the vowel E. Would it make sense to add another E and an S onto this? Trees. No, no, doesn't make sense. Because this ends in the vowel E, we just need to add an S, and we have the word trees, which is the plural form of this vowel, or sorry, of this word. Okay. Sometimes you will have nouns that are what we call irregular. So these nouns don't follow the rules of using S and ES to become plural nouns. So I want to go over some of these irregular nouns. So for example, let's talk about the word moose. There's one moose. There's two mooses? No, that's not right. There's two moose, three moose, four moose. Moose does not change. Whether it's singular or plural, it is spelled just like this. No S's. It does not change. Okay? Let's do another one. Fish. Okay, before you jump and say, ooh, it ends in SH, I need to add ES. Normally that would be correct, but not with the word fish. You have one fish. You have two fish. We don't say two fishes. That does not make sense. The word fish does not change when it goes from singular to plural form. It stays the same. One fish, two fish, three fish, four fish, five fish. It doesn't change. Okay? Let me show you another one that doesn't change. Deer. I saw one deer on the side of the road. I do not say I saw two deers. That is not correct grammar. I saw two deer on the side of the road. Three deer. Four deer. Deer does not change. Okay. Some words change altogether instead of adding an S or an ES on the end. So sometimes you have a word like tooth. I lost one tooth. I lost two toothes. Nope. The word tooth changes entirely to, we're going to take our two vowels out. I lost one tooth. I lost two teeth. Teeth is the plural form, the word tooth. Another example is the word ox. You might say, oh, it ends in an X, so I know I need to add ES. Okay, but when you say it, does it make sense? I saw one ox in the field. I saw two oxes in the field. No, we don't say oxes. The plural form of the word ox is actually oxen. Okay? Okay, let me give you another one that changes completely. She broke her foot. Her foots are ticklish. Does that make sense? No, doesn't even sound right. Her feet are ticklish. Foot changes to feet, just how tooth changes to teeth. Okay, good. Another word that changes entirely is mouse. One mouse ran across the floor. 2 mouses? Nope, not mouses. When mouse, the plural form of mouse is mice. 3 little mice. You can always remember the child song of 3 blind mice. It's not 3 blind mouses, it's 3 blind mice. Okay, good. All right. 1 person brought their lunch. Do we say persons? 2 persons bought their lunch? No. The word person actually changes entirely. The plural form of person is people. 2 people brought their lunch. Okay. Then we have a word that ends in F. What do we do? When a word ends in F, okay, we change it to plural by changing the F to a V and adding ES. So you have 1 elf or you have many elves. Okay, let me show you another example. You have 1 leaf or you have a pile of leaves. Change the F to a V and add ES. And you can hear it. Leaf, leaves. Okay? Let's go over another one that changes completely. How about the word man? There is 1 man mowing the lawn. Do I say there are 2 mans mowing the lawn? Nope, that doesn't make sense. There are 2 men mowing the lawn. The vowel changes just like in feet and foot and teeth and tooth. The vowel changes. The same thing goes when you are talking about a woman. Same rule as the word man. Instead of a woman, it's a woman. So 1 woman sang a song. 3 women sang together. Okay. All right. I hope you have fun learning and practicing singular and plural nouns, and I will see you soon. Bye.